Welcome back to You Heard It Here with Dr. Gary. This is earwax removal vlog number 101. I hope today's video is a big treat. What we're going to be looking at is the videos from our old video otoscope system. That's what you're watching here, our first patient, and from the new video otoscope system that we're experimenting with. Take a moment and leave a comment in the comment section below, letting us know which picture is clearer and which one you think gives a better view of what's going on in the patient's ear. So this is our original video otoscope system. We've been working with this system for about 16 years and it's an absolute workhorse. It provides amazing picture quality and a nice big image for the patient to watch while we're doing this. This first patient came in with their ear completely impacted. They're experiencing oral fullness and reduced hearing. We're going to use the curette to try to break through that wax and get it out of the ear. You can see how it's very much attached like a long ribbon of skin. So once we get it laid out, we're going to use the alligator forceps to grasp onto it and pull it out of the patient's ear. There they come, and once we grab this, as soon as we start to pull on that wax and skin, the patient reported immediate relief, less fullness in the ear, and instant improvement in hearing. Now you can see that it left some down there a little bit deeper, but as we use the video otoscope to get down beyond that wax, we can see the eardrum and a whole bunch of hair down there. Despite the fact that there's still earwax, the patient's hearing was restored and the fullness went away because it's no longer occluding or full. So we'll go ahead and use the curette here again to get the rest of that wax out of the patient's ear and see what we have behind. If you like these wax removal videos, please take a moment to like and subscribe. It really does help with the YouTube algorithm and encourages me to keep going with these videos. I also want to know what video otoscope system you think provides a better picture. Again, this is our original video otoscope and it does give us a pretty clear image. So now we're going to jump to that same patient's opposite ear. The first ear was completely impacted. The second ear, not quite as bad. This should be a much easier and quicker wax extraction. We shouldn't need the alligator forceps here as everything is staying together in a nice big ball. There's a great view of the eardrum. Now this is our new video otoscope system. You can see that the coloration of this patient's wax is a little bit different. This has been in the ear a little bit longer. So as we dig this wax out, you're going to get to see what this new otoscope looks like. Let me know what you think in the comment section below. This patient's wax is very tacky and sticks together. It's much more thick and hopefully it's going to come out in some large chunks so we get that beautiful view of the eardrum. Alright, let's see if we can get the rest of this out and get all the way back down the ear canal. You can see part of the eardrum and that we need to use the curette to actually scrape this wax off the ear canal wall. This patient has a very large bend in their ear canal, which is part of the reason why they're having this impaction, because the wax is not naturally coming around that corner and all the way out of the ear canal like we'd like to see it. You can see that it's caked to the sides all the way down there. This patient did admit to using Q-tips, and this is part of what we see is that there's the backup of the epithelial migration towards the aperture of the ear. That backup prevents the wax from getting out. Now that's a nice view of the eardrum after we've got all the wax out of the way for this patient. Now looking at this patient's other ear, you see another large impaction. So again, we're just going to use that curette to remove the wax. Same texture. In this patient's case, one side and the other may not have looked exactly the same, but the texture of the wax is very similar. We see the same issue where we have the earwax caked to the ear canal walls, likely due to the use of repeated Q-tipping and pushing that wax down deeper and deeper. So we actually have to physically pull it off the ear canal wall. We're being very gentle. This is not causing the patient any discomfort. And now again, we have a wonderful view of the eardrum. This has been Earwax Removal Vlog number 101. Let me know, did you like the original video otoscope or do we like the new system better? Thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next video.